Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. It is November 5th. Yeah, November 5th. But anyway, I wanted to come on and share my online haul with you. And it's just a really small haul. This is from a YouTube sale that Chiquita was holding, and there were 3 other ladies on there with her. It was Emily and Sherry and Eve, and I got my order. I did order a little bit from everyone, so I just got my order from Emily. Emily, hey girl, hey, and she is Jersey Sea Girl on YouTube, and then the same on Instagram. But I will have the links down below in the description box, so if you're interested, go check her out. She also sells ruffled trims, guys, so please, I mean, I like to support my friends, especially if I like their work, not just because they're my friends, but I do like what they create. So if you guys are interested, I'll have her link down below with also with Chiquita and Eve and Sherry. So yeah, so this is what I picked up on Emily's sale. She had some really cute buttons. They're like gingham checkered buttons, I guess. I don't know what they're called. But I just saw them so cute, pictured them on like some projects. I have some ideas that, you know, I want to get done for Christmas. She also had these iridescent, what are they called? Like an iridescent flat back resin wings. I don't know, but they're so pretty, so I had to have it, and I got those. I don't know if I showed these buttons, if you guys saw it. Anyway, and I also picked up her gold star trim. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know, but I'm in love with this folk primitive crafts, I guess you want to call it. But they, look at this. This reminds me of some stuff that I've been seeing that would come in. It'll be handy once I do some of my projects, and I'll probably share it here on YouTube. I mean, I usually don't like share it a lot with like my home decorating crafts that I use to decorate my house with, but every once in a while I will share. So maybe one of these. So I did pick up the gold one and the silver, and the gold had more in the bundle, but yeah, I didn't, we obviously use more gold, but the silver is also pretty to use in our projects. So she also included a little extras. It just says, hi and thank you for your purchase. Here's a little something for you. You can color me with markers, inks, acrylic paints, or spray paint, then add to your projects. Now, I think, are these the, is it plaster or is it air dry clay? You tell me, girly, because this is so cute. And it's got a little bit of weight to it. It feels nice and sturdy. Thank you for sharing this with me. You really didn't have to, but look at how pretty all the details are. So she shared these 2 little leaf molds, and they're, I think it's clay, air dry clay maybe, but those are beautiful. So guys, if you're interested, I'll have the links down below. Chiquita does host these live sales on her YouTube channel, and usually she'll have a few guest sellers with her. And it just so happened that this was Emily and Eve and Sherry all in one with Chiquita. So she also sold. I hauled the other purchases earlier in a previous video, so I'm just waiting for one more order And that will be from Sherry. And this is because I was new to this whole sale and I didn't follow the rules as far as sending the emails to everybody. I'm not good with emails. I'm really, really bad at emails. But anyway, enough said. If you're interested, go to the description box and then click on the links, and that will take you to either their channel or their Instagram. And then you can just subscribe and hit the notification bells so that you will be notified of when they're having the sales. So I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.